Hey Sugar Geeks, Liz here. I am the owner of Sugar Geek Show. Sugar Geek Show is a place where no matter what your skill level, you can come to geek out with other people who are just like you. Whether you want to become a better baker, a better cake decorator, or you want to learn how to make those crazy huge showpieces that you see on TV, we've got it. So Sugar Geek Show is a membership platform. I know, another membership, we all hate them. They get so aggravating, but I promise you this is not your typical membership, and it really is a way for you to save money. And you can literally cancel whenever you want. There's no pressure whatsoever. I hate pressure. I would never do that to you. There's something for every level of skill on Sugar Geek Show. How to make your first cake. We have a series of tutorials on the basics of cake decorating, how to make wedding cakes and handle client consultations, introductions to cake sculpting, or if you're an experienced cake artist looking to develop an advanced skill set of techniques, I have something for you, like how to ship a competition cake, how to sculpt a bust cake, and how to make award-winning gravity-defying structures that make your cakes look like they are floating. Plus those famous isomalt eyes like you've probably seen all over your social media. It's all on here. So down below, you're gonna see two buttons. One is for premium and one is for elite. Premium members are just for those people who only want to watch tutorials. You sign up, you can watch whatever you want, whenever you want. It's just access to all of the tutorials that are on sugargeekshow.com right now. And then there's the elite membership. As an elite member, not only do you get to watch whatever tutorial you want, anytime you want, but when you're a member and we come out with new tutorials, you can rewatch them and keep them forever. You don't get the old ones because that would be a lot. But you get all of the new ones. You also get access to our private community. This is probably the #1 benefit that our elite members really enjoy. It's just a very small community where we can talk to each other about projects, how to troubleshoot them. You can ask me for advice one-on-one. Inside this group, you are also going to get monthly challenges set by me because I love to challenge you. That's gonna push you to try new things, new techniques, new trends, and you can win really cool prizes like edible ink image printers or really cool tools. And that's just for elite members. We also do live demos in the group, sometimes myself, sometimes from other people in the industry, like making cake pops or what it's like to open up a bakery or how to price your cakes. And if that wasn't enough, you also get a card mailed to your door worldwide. Everybody gets one. And it's usually just something like an encouraging letter that I write just to you, kind of talking about where I am, where we are, and a little motivator for you to see every day to just, help you keep going. So whether you sign up for premium or elite, you can sign up for the 7-day trial right now and cancel right away. Yes, I'm telling you how to cheat the system. Because I believe in Sugar Geek Show so much, I think you will stick around. I think you will see the value in what we have to offer and how it's different from other platforms. And you might want to see more. So click right now, premium or elite, elite. And I will see you guys soon.